Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's Catherine and Adobe here again with another hairstyle video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made this cutie right here. So if you're interested in seeing the process, everything I did, why not keep on watching, and with no further ado, let us dive right in. So today we are starting off this hairstyle by spraying in some clove water, and after that I'll go in with this DIY hair butter. I'll be showing you guys how I made this in my next video, or yeah I'll go in and apply it all over her hair, making sure it reaches her scalp everywhere, and I'll comb out. Well, I think I didn't show that part where I combed out her hair. Anyways, moving on with this hairstyle, I will start patting out a line. Okay, this is kind of like a zigzag line or whatever, but the thing is, this line is not that important. Okay, I was actually going for a different hairstyle. That was why I started off with this line, but as time went on, I realized that I wasn't gonna be able to make the style I wanted because of my nails. I was actually going for a cornrow, a very stylish cornrow, but my nails was not allowing me. I could pull it off, but it was gonna apply tension to her scalp, and also it would take so much time. Okay, so back to the hair. I will just start off with our usual threading, like braiding the hair before threading. For this, I am braiding with five strands of Brazilian wool. Then I threaded with 2 strands, but this is a very long threading, not short not medium, like it's actually really long. Just keep on watching, you will see why it's long, like everything. Just I wouldn't be talking much in this video. Okay, I wouldn't be talking much. I will just allow you guys to watch, see the process, everything that I did, everything in between, and yeah. And you guys, look at my baby girl. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle. This hairstyle turned out way better than I expected. Like I said, this was not the style I intended to make on this day. I had to, figure out something last minute, and it turned out really nice. Let me know what you think. Will you be trying out this style on your little one? If you do tag me on IG at Catherine__OZ. I'll leave it on the screen for you guys to see. I will definitely repost. Yeah, just tag me, okay? When you recreate any of my styles, I will repost on my page. And with that being said, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, why not do that right now? Subscribe if you haven't, share if you can, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.